left 4 over crest, opens. Right 5, keep middle over crest, jump. Left 5 over crest, keep in, into right 5, keep in over crest. And left 5 tightens, very long over crest. Into right 4, short, into left 5 over jump. Into right 5 over crest, keep middle, tightens 430. Left 4 short, over jump maybe. Into right 4 short, don't cut, and right 5 over crest, jump. And right 4 short and right 4 over jump, keep right. Into right 4 short, over crest, keep in, and left 5, keep right over crest, into left 5. And right 5 short, into left 4, tightens over crest long, keep in. Into jump 80. Danger, right 3 long, tightens, jump over crest, keep in. And left 4 long, keep middle over crest. Into left 4, keep middle over crest. And left 3 short, into right 4 over crest, keep in, narrows. Into left 4, opens, short. Into right 4, short, and left 5 short, 80. Jump over crest, into right 5, tightens 4, short. And left 4 short, over bump, into right 4, tightens 3, keep in. And right 3 short, over crest, 80. Right 4 short, over crest, keep into left 4, don't cut into right 4, 30. Left 3 short, keep in, and right 5 over crest, tightens 4 long. And kicks for crest into left 4, keep in, tightens. For jump over crest, into left 4, tightens 3 long. And right 4 long, tightens over crest. And left 5, keep left over jump. Into right 4, into left 3, for right 3, short rock in, 30. And jump over crest, into left 3, opens long. And left 5 over crest, keep into right 3. Left 4, very long, tightens 3, house out. Into right 4, long over crest, 30. And caution, brake right 5, short over crest, into left 3, short, don't cut, and right 4, short, don't cut, 80. Right 3 tightens, keep in over crest. And left 3 long over crest, keep in. And right 6, don't cut, 30. And left 6, jump over crest, caution, keep middle, 200, bumpy. Jump 50, right 6, long. And right 5, very long, opens. Jump, keep in, into right 6, into flat left, caution, keep middle. Into big jump, 40. Into left 5, into right 4, over bumps. And right 3, long 50. Jump over crest, keep middle for right 3, 30. Left 4 short, opens long over crest, jump. And right 5 tightens, keep into jump over crest, 30. Bump and flat right into left 5, short over jump, opens. And left 5 over crest long, keep in. Caution, brake for square right into flat left, tighten. Into right 5, tightens 3 over crest and left 3, long, tightens over crest. Into danger, right 5, tightens 3 over crest, don't cut. Into left 2, widens 30. Flat left for finish.